Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix installing upgrading failed error code is 0x800703e6. If you are facing this error in installing upgrading failed. So how to fix this problem? This is very easy and simple method. So firstly you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Now Windows Update, click on Run and run this Windows Update. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it. You see here close option, so close it. And your problem will be fixed. If does not fix, so try this second method, type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now here you need to type this command line sfc space slash scan this sfc space slash scan. Now you need to type this command line sfc space slash scan now and press enter in your keyboard. And after this process will be 100%, so type second command. If you comment, so I will give in decision box, you need to just copy and paste this command. So comment me. And after this both command process will complete, so close it. And restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.